Hey guys, welcome back. It's Minsi here and I'm in the rainforest. Today we're going rainy rainforest camping and there's going to be some beautiful exploration, testing out my new gear in the wet conditions and some cold swims. Alright, let's get into it. Well, I've arrived. I wanted rain camping and I wanted to be in the forest and I have both of those things, so it's a good start. Wow, look how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness. Oh look, there's a little waterfall there. Can you see it? This water looks so nice too, but I bet it's really cold. I'll have to be careful for leeches on this trip. I can only just reach both sides. Well, it's kind of sandy and flat here, so I think this might actually be a good spot to camp tonight. And it's not too noisy with the water flowing. Well guys, I've got a new tent and I'm super excited to test it out. And I even seam sealed it for the rain because it's meant to bucket down tonight, so this is going to be the ultimate test for this tent. The peg's just sliding straight in. Let's hope they stay in. 4 corners are done. I need to find a stick now because this is an ultralight camping tent. Ooh, nice dead branch. About that high, I think. Hard bit in here where you can put the stick. Oh no, my peg came out. I have to put that back in again. I'm going to put my tarp out because it's starting to rain and I'd like to have somewhere to sit tonight and be nice and dry. I just have to adjust that other corner now because I've got a bit of a bulge happening there. Isn't it cozy? I've got a little roof over my head. The water should run off down that corner there. Hopefully not come towards my tent. Too much spring. Are you ready to see the results of my light stringing? Ta-da! Christmas. I think we'll keep it like that. Get some extra light in there. So looking very cozy now. Well, the ground's a bit muddy over there, so I've come up with an idea. It's a bit dirty on that side, but this side's good. Oh, what's that? I don't know what that is. It's some sort of weird snail leech creature. Dirt-free platform over here now. It is wet, but at least it's clean. I just do that in here so I don't get any leeches on my sleeping mat. I just feel cold on my butt. Oops. I'm not going to get very far if I try and inflate the bag. Look at this pretty fungus. Very shiny. This rock is very slippery, but I think it should be good. Oh, there's a big cockroach in there. Ugh. Should be a good seat. I just saw the tail of a fish moving around here. It's so slippery, I have to be careful. Oh, where'd it go? I didn't see him swim away, so he's got to be there. Oh, there he is. You see him? What a find. Hey, Mr. Eel. It's so cool to see an eel. At first I thought it was like maybe just like a reed in the water because it was moving like really flowing with the water. And I was like, no, that's got to be something alive. How cool. I can't wait to go exploring again later and see what else I can find in the night. I feel like everything's always more active and nobody's around. He was too fast. Oh, that was funny. Oh. My eggs are ready. I went for a little explore while I was waiting. I thought a good meal for a rainforest cold camp would be some hearty soup. Something warm. need a bit more heat. Well, I would like it to rain a little bit more. It's kind of stopped raining altogether. It was absolutely bucketing down on my way here, and I thought maybe I might not even be able to make this video. But now it's stopped. And I want to be able to test out my tent. Some dough I prepared earlier. My soup's really boiling away now. There's a leech trying to get into my food. Ah, no! Yeah, get out of here. You don't like it. It's oily. Yeah, I think I rescued my food from the leech. Oh my god, there's animals landing in my plate left and right. Oh! Ooh, it's really boiling away in there. Let's check if my potatoes soft. It's ready! I'm gonna have to like move it around to cook it evenly. Well, I haven't had any leeches land on me yet, but I know they're coming. They're gonna try and get into my tent at night. We've reached the time in the evening where I can do this. Can you see it? I don't know if you can even see it. My bread is looking ready. Some bread. Oh, hot. Gonna enjoy some dinner and then go for a little bit of an explore before bed. It's raining! Finally! See how I go through the night. Maybe I won't be so excited that it's raining by the time morning comes. I'm gonna go look for the Boogeyman. Let's see what we can find. Oh my god, I can't see where I'm going when there's lighters in my face. I need to put it back on my head. Look at the roots of this tree. They look like octopus tentacles. It's a palm tree. I'm being attacked by a plant. It's like really stuck to me. It's following me. This is the thing that just tried to get me. Look at all those little spines, and even on the really like thin bits. You've got to be careful out here because everything's got spines. Big ones, small ones. Look how pointy they are. Ha! Well, that was a nice little explore. See what we can find in the daytime tomorrow. See how this tent holds up in the night. We'll find out in the morning. Alright, good night. The light is too bright. Good morning. Alright, I think I'm gonna have a look and see how well my tent did. If there's any water inside. I can't feel any water in here on me, so hopefully that's a good sign. So it does look like a little bit of water is coming in from that corner. So I might have to seam seal that one a bit better. A bit of water. Oh, a bit more water under there. Oh, lucky it wasn't too much. I don't want to get out of my warm sleeping bag. like to. Getting ready for a swim and a nice warm treat afterwards. Well, instead of just sitting around waiting for my water to boil, I'm going to pack up my tent so that it's going to be all packed up before it starts bucketing down with rain. I'm getting lower and lower. That was good timing, got the tent done just before it started to rain. I might wait a little bit now before I go for my swim. That would be a good way to get introduced to the cold. Should I go and run around in the rain? Exercise! Let's exercise before we get in the water. Up close before I freeze. Woo! Isn't it so pretty? I should check the leeches. I'm cold. Trying to stay warm while I'm waiting for my water to heat up again. Oh. Oh. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, what a treat. Can you see the steam? Hot shower in the rainforest. That is a luxury. But not too hard of a luxury to achieve, actually. Definitely worth it. Look at these beautiful elephantier leaves. You can actually use these to transport water. You can turn them into kind of like a bucket. They're very strong. It's pretty cool. So many tiny little creatures. It's so thick. That's a vine. How crazy. Look how small these mushrooms are. I don't know if you can see it, but there's heaps of stag horns at the top of this cedar tree. You wouldn't want one of those falling down on you. I'm standing under some walking stick palms. They're not going to protect you much from the rain, but if you get hungry you can eat the little fruits that grow on them. They taste peppery. I thought that other vine was big. Look at this one. My God, look at this tree. Getting a bit hungry. Sit. You want to see what's in my pot of treats now? Ooh, what's in here? That's a surprise treat. Some raisins that are a bit damp. I'm going to try marshmallow flavoured oats today. Oh, I got a leech on me! You can't get in. I'm closed for business. Look at him go. Alright, I'm going to throw him as far away as possible. Oh, I need to stir my oats, they're getting out of control. Got too distracted by the leech. The sun's coming out a little bit. It's meant to rain more. Mosquito. Attack. Let's see if it looks warm. I don't know, it looks warm. Ooh. It looks warm. The icing is all melted on top. Oh, yummy! What a dessert. Careful of that steam. Well, I guess this is my very healthy lunch because it is about lunchtime now. I'm not complaining. Well, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you'd like to see more, subscribe and turn your notifications on. And if you want to see my behind the scenes footage, check out my social media links. See you there.